My biggest accomplishment would be getting a job right out of college.
It opens up big opportunities to go anywhere in the world.
Still have work knowing that you took a path where there's always need for workers.
We're going to attract industry over a long period of time. We have to have the people and the skills that are being looked for.
You don't always have to come to UCN, they will come to you.
Go UCN!
The town of Swan River is nestled in the valley between the Duck Mountains and the Porcupine Hills. The lakes, rivers, and diverse terrain contribute to the character of the Swan River Valley. The wide variety of services and facilities deem it a popular hub in the journey from central to northern Manitoba.
In Swan River, we have all the kinds of amenities that people would look for. We have excellent recreation facilities, we have good shopping, and we have a service center for different trades and businesses, and we have pretty much everything that people would be looking for. We have a new indoor swimming pool, we've got a junior hockey team, we've got a skateboard park, we've got all kinds of ball diamonds, soccer pitches for the young people, curling.